Nobody who opposed these celebrations or said something about it or even posted a sense of warning before the events happened. It's because the events have happened that people are now questioning. At that time in the afternoon, nobody posted. Even the BJP was all euphoric about the celebrations that was going to be there.
Who are we to stop the victory celebration? And more importantly, this is not the duty of state government to organize a victory celebration. Even on the day of on 3rd, when RCB won the finals, entire Karnataka, entire country celebrated. Even here in Bangalore, victory celebration went on till 5 a.m. in the morning. Police officers were on duty till 5 a.m. in the morning. When the agencies approached for the victory celebration, police officers clearly said, no, we can't give permission. Because all the police officers had worked till 5 a.m., till 5 o'clock in the morning. So clearly police was not prepared. But since Chief Minister insisted, why? Because state government, very badly they wanted to encash upon the RCB's victory. This has, because of this, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister forced police officials to give permission. So who should be held responsible?
Okay.
And more importantly, at one side, Chief Minister claims, no, we did not expect such a big crowd. We expected only 30 to 40,000 crore fans, RCB fans. Whereas the police officer in FIR clearly stated when they approached, they denied permission because if permission was given, lakhs and lakhs of people will come to Bangalore. When a police officer was aware of the fact that lakhs and lakhs of people will come, why did not Chief Minister think upon this issue?
Question is of responsibility on RCB as well or KSE as well. How do you respond to that? The fact that they say, the police again says, that they announced for the events without proper permissions. Who do you hold responsible for that? Only the political leadership or others as well?
If this is true, according to me, state government and more importantly, Chief Minister, he is trying to cover up the whole episode. Chief Minister himself is trying to cover up the issue. Chief Minister has to take up the responsibility. Rather than suspending the innocent officers, Chief Minister has to tender the resignation. He has to tender the resignation. Ramlinga Reddy, a senior minister, he has also given a statement today. Due to the intelligence failure, this tragedy has taken place. Intelligence Department rests with the Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Okay. So he has to take up the responsibility.
Thanks very much, B.Y. Vijayendra, there, Karnataka BJP president there speaking to us here at NDTV.